Welcome. In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to connect the Bluetooth headphones to this watch. So I have my watch and my Bluetooth headphones right here. They're quite big. This is the Sony headphones, and I'm gonna show you how to connect such headphones to our watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch by pressing the crown button. And once you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Once you open the menu, look for the settings icon and then tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, let's scroll down and look for the option called Bluetooth. And once you find it, tap on it. Here we need to scroll down, and as you can see, the watch is looking for the nearby devices. And now I'm gonna grab my headphones and enter the pairing mode on them. Actually, let me zoom out the camera a bit so you can see the headphones. So here I have my headphones. I'm gonna enter the pairing mode on them by pressing and holding the power button. I think there should be in the pairing mode. Let's try to rescan. So tap on rescan. And as you can see, it detected our headphones. Now we can tap on the name of our headphones. It will start pairing. And then it will say connected. And we can tap on OK. And as you can see, we have our headphones. They're connected now to our watch. And you can basically listen to music from your watch by using your headphones. You can also tap on the two dots right here next to the headphones names, and here you have disconnect and unpair if you want to disconnect the headphones or completely unpair them from your watch. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the crown button, and that's how you pair the Bluetooth headphones to this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.